How to see deleted follow requests on Instagram. Hello everybody, if you are wondering how you may follow up this step. So open up your Instagram app, and then once you open up Instagram, in order to look for your follow request, tap on the heart icon at the top. And once you are there, you should be finding your follow request. So if you tap on the delete option, and when you head over to follow request, if you have deleted the follow request, and if you're trying to look for the deleted follow request, unfortunately Instagram does not allow us. So Instagram does not keep a record of deleted or ignored follow request. If you accidentally deleted a request, the person can always send you another one. So what you can do is you can reach out to the person. For example, the person that I just ignored, for example, the person whose request I just deleted. You may search for the search bar, and then after that go ahead and tap on search, and there go ahead and type in the person's name to whom you want to send the follow request and from whom you want the follow request back. So you may tap on their profile and send a follow request to them, or ask them to send a follow request to you too. And once you get the notification like that, like before, like here, all you gotta do is accept this time, and then you should be able to get your follow request back on. So that is it for now. You may follow this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.